So I've got a good one for you today. Right in this video are a couple of mini exercises that you can do first thing in the morning to help you wake up your body and give your body a boost of energy. They'll get your blood pumping and help rev up an important part of your immune system that usually doesn't get much thought or attention, and that's your lymphatic system. Hi, my name is David Bennett, and I help busy moms and dads lose weight, regain their energy, and feel confident in themselves, and keep the weight off. So there's a little bit of background. The lymph fluid. This flows through a huge network of vessels in your body, collecting and removing cellular waste, sort of like how blood circulates. One big difference, though, is your circulatory system for your blood has a pump, your heart. Your lymphatic system relies on movement and your muscles to help keep the lymph flowing. You can imagine how removing all that cellular waste is important to your health. One of the best exercises you can do for lymphatic system is rebounding. That's jumping on a mini trampoline for a few minutes a day. But if you don't have a mini trampoline, and not many do, you can get your system flowing in other ways. Here are a couple of easy exercises to try first thing in the morning. First, arm pumps. You can even do this while you're still in bed. So you lie on your back with your arms straight by your side. So keeping your arms straight, raise your hands up and your arms up until they're about 6 inches above the bed or the floor. Now quickly move your arms up and down by your side intensely enough so that you feel your breathing speed up. Try to get to 50 to 100 pumps of your arms. The other is jumping jacks. These are great and work your whole body at once. Do this one before you hit the shower versus just waking up. And start with just 10 and work up to maybe 25 or more. If they're too high impact, try a low impact version of just raising your arms to the side as you step your left foot out, returning to the start, and repeat on the right side. Seems simple, right? But moving your body like this in the morning can make a huge difference. Plus, it'll give you a little bit of an energy boost to kickstart your day, and it won't take long. And if you want some extra credit, here are a few ways to boost your lymphatic system over the long term. 1, stay hydrated. 2, do strength training. 3, get regular massages, and that's one of my favorites. So have you checked out the Metabolic Body Reset program yet? At metabolicbodyreset.com, it's designed for busy moms and dads who want to get into the best shape of their life, take their health back, and lose the weight, lose the belly fat. So if you resonate with these ideas, I know you're going to love the Metabolic Body Reset. It's an easy-to-use framework to help you create lasting weight loss, to help you regain your energy, and help you overcome metabolic syndrome, insulin resistance. The easiest way to do this is to schedule a one-on-one call with me to discuss your specific situation. Have a great day, and we'll talk again soon.